Hello and welcome to Tongue Ticklers. Today's tongue tickler is a 2-minute breakfast smoothie that will keep you full for 3 to 4 hours and is less than 250 calories. It is healthy, helps in weight loss and is really easy to make. Here's my favorite way to make a breakfast smoothie. In a blender jar, add half a cup of rolled oats or instant oats. Oats are a good source of carbs and have soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This increases the feeling of fullness and lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. Next, add half a cup of berries. I'm using frozen mix of blueberries, blackberries and raspberries. You can choose your favorite ones. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help reduce risk factors for heart disease and diabetes. Add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder. This is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which boost heart health. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These are loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Add 6 to 8 almonds. Almonds are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Add 1 banana. This will give instant carbs and sweetness to the smoothie as we will not be adding any sugar. Add 1 cup of skim milk. If you want a vegan smoothie, you can choose any plant-based milk like almond, coconut or soy milk. Add 1 cup of water and then blend it. Alright, your 2-minute healthy breakfast smoothie is ready. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit like. Try this 2-minute breakfast smoothie and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tongue-tickling recipes. Thanks for watching.